Hey everyone, in this brief video, I'm going to highlight how artificial intelligence is boosting Broadcom's prospects, not just in 2023, but beyond. So let's get right into this brief video. CEO of Broadcom is talking about generative AI and this type of next generation, current generation. They're all using very leading edge technologies in wafers and silicone wafers, substrates, packaging, including memory sticks. So all of the cutting edge technology is going into this. And so it's a measured ramp that's started in 2023 that will continue through 2024. That's an interesting statement here, and I think it underscores what's happening in generative AI is that it's really just ramping up now in 2023, and it's really going to accelerate, I think, throughout 2024 and perhaps longer term. This isn't going to be a, one big boost and then that's it. I think this is going to be a boost that continues to accelerate because of the effectiveness, because of the implications for enterprises, consumers, institutions, all of the benefits it can offer. And Broadcom certainly is seeing this benefit in its order book, not only through 2023 but also in 2024. So there's the AI networks that it talks about and the budgets that are now allocated more and more by hyperscale towards these AI networks. So more so, these hyperscale networks like Google Cloud, like Amazon Cloud, they're allocating more and more of their budgets towards these generative AI products, but not necessarily and particularly in enterprise just yet. And so what that means is, yes, while the hyperscalers like AWS and Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure and all that are gearing towards artificial intelligence and ramping up their capabilities there, it hasn't yet completely caught on in terms of enterprises, in terms of companies like Walmart, right? They've just now started to realize the benefits of these large language models, but they haven't shifted towards um, building out their IT infrastructure, focusing on artificial intelligence just yet. It's not that shift hasn't really happened yet, and when that does, that can be a big boost here. So it's not necessarily an enterprise just yet in terms of they're still focused on the traditional workloads. At least that's what Broadcom CEO is seeing. And a lot of the large amount of spending on AI today that they see is from the hyperscalers, not so much from enterprises just yet. But in my opinion, they need to catch up to that, right? Large enterprises like Walmart, Target, companies that of that kind of scale that have so much valuable data, I think they need to make that shift to artificial intelligence to more effectively use that data to inform their decision making, to inform what kind of inventory they buy, to inform what kind of products they show their customers, what kind of recommendations. The benefits could be profound. So they are going to realize that. I think it's inevitable that they realize this and shift their spending towards that area. But for now, Broadcom is seeing that they haven't shifted that. So enterprises are still focusing a lot of their budgets on the traditional data centers and traditional workloads. So they haven't shifted yet. So imagine when companies like Walmart and Target and Home Depot and all those really start to shift their spending on the AI area instead of on the traditional data center. So that could be provide huge implications and really big benefits to Broadcom as well. So there you have it, just a brief video on how Broadcom is benefiting from this rise of artificial intelligence, the effectiveness of artificial intelligence. All right, but that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.